morning guys, welcome to a pretty frosty day here in central England. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss out on any future content, and also drop me a comment in the comments section below. Let me know how you think things are going, like these legends did here. Okay, so got a couple of little jobs I want to get doing today. Don't really want to be out here too long because it's bloody freezing. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with them, and also make sure you stick around because if you remember, I had a draw at Christmas, or a giveaway at Christmas, and I'm going to be drawing that today, so stick around to see if you won. So without further ado, I'll spin you around and have a look at what we're going to do today. Catch you soon. Right, so one little job I want to get done today is these corners. Got some timber just to put in those, just to tie it in, and that will be pretty much the external done then. And also the trim on the top there, still need to do it around the other side. So yeah, I'm going to get those two little jobs done today. But first, something's not quite right there. I think the temperature dropped down to about -4, -5 last night. Once again, my air from my bottom drain has stopped, so I think that air line there at the back's frozen up again. But my returns have gone to a trickle. There's nothing coming out of that one, and only a trickle coming out of that. So yeah, I'll have a look at that first, and then I'll get back to you. Right, so I'm pretty much certain that I'm a bit frozen up there in that T-piece. So I don't think there's a lot I'm going to be able to do. Still got a bit of flow coming out of the easy pod on the other side, so I'm just going to have to bear with it. I don't want to be messing around with these pipes and disturbing the fish. They're all huddled together at the bottom there, so I'm just have to gonna keep an eye on this and see if there's any improvement. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with these corners. Yeah, and like I say, I've got that edge to trim off there as well, so I'll get that done and get back to you. Right, so there we go, there's corner pieces in there, ties it in nicely. Done all the corners. Better look at this one over here. Yeah. So yeah, it's tied in nicely. So that's pretty much the external done there. Apart from the other side, the trim, which, to be honest with you guys, it's just too bloody cold for it today. I can't be arsed with spending my only day off this week here in the cold. So I'm going to keep warm. Before I do that, I am going to have a bash at defrosting that T-piece there to get this system running up again. But yeah, I'm not going to bore you with that, so I'll take you inside and we can do the draw for the Christmas giveaway. I'll catch you in a second. Right then guys, so as you remember, or may remember, I had a little Christmas giveaway at Christmas. Seems like a while ago now, but it weren't too long ago. I did this giveaway a little bit different, where you all had to pick a present, a colour of a present. It was it blue, green and red. Had a good response for it. So yeah, I'm going to spin you around, remind you of what the prizes were, and let you know which present was which prize. So good luck. Right, and these were the prizes. Evolution Aqua's Pure Pond Balls, a limited edition Koi Central mug, and the NT Labs Medical Growth Food. Okay, and this is how we did it. We had 3 prizes. blue, red and green. So I'll let you know what the first one is. Let's start from the left and go blue. And it was balls. Yeah, the blue prize was the EA pond balls. So yeah, I'll get the laptop sorted and we'll draw the blue prize for the pond balls. Okay, so right, I'll put all the info in. There's the YouTube link. Filter comments based on a specific text, which was blue. We've got the animation. I've already done this bit for you. So there was 19 people that selected the blue prize. And there we go. And it's on the left here. Okay, so good luck to everyone that selected blue. And it's Andy. ... Yeah, cheers Andy. The comment was, "Hi mate, you've done a fantastic job so far. It's going to be a great pond very soon and all worth all the work." I hope so, mate, honestly. And blue, please. So yeah, Andy, my email address is on my about page. Get in touch. Give me your delivery address and I will get the pond balls sent out to you. Okay, so moving on to the next prize. Get rid of the pond balls because they've gone. And we'll do red. And red was the Koi Central mug. So yeah, I'll put the info into the comment picker and we'll draw the red prize. Right, so details have been put in for the red prize. Same again, there we go, text red. And there was a total of 20 entries for red. So there we go. Good luck to everyone that selected red. And we'll start the draw. Yeah, that's my mom. So yeah, we're going to redraw it. Yeah, my mom watches my channel. But yeah, that wouldn't be fair. So let's do it again. Pick another winner. And it's Bubble and Fins, Vicky. Yeah, get in touch. Sorry, my camera died there. I don't know what happened. Yeah, Vicky from Bubble and Fins. My email address is on my about page. Drop me your delivery address and I'll get the limited edition Koi Central mug out to you. Okay, congratulations. And we'll move on to the next one. Okay, so obviously there's one prize left, which is the Medikoi Growth Koi Food, and it was the green prize, which is the food. So yeah, I'll get this, get the details put in, and we'll draw for the Koi Food. Okay, and this is for the green prize. Details have been put in and there was a total of 15 entries for green. So we'll start this one off and good luck to everyone. This is for the Medikoi Growth Koi Food. And it's Seba's Pond. Great update video, Matt. Hope you're well, stay safe and warm. Yeah, it's we're not staying warm at the moment. It's bloody freezing out there. But yeah, Seaba's Pond. You've won yourself the Medikoi Growth koi food. Once again, my email address is on the about page of my YouTube channel. Drop me a message, give me a delivery address, and I'll get that food out to you ASAP. Okay, so there we go. Christmas draw has been done. Congratulations to Andy, Bubble and Fins, and Seaba's Pond. Once again, if you get my email address from my about page, drop me an email with your delivery details, and I'll get your prizes out to you ASAP. So congratulations, guys. Yeah, just to let you know as well that I will be having another giveaway when I hit the 500 subscriber milestone. I think I'm currently at around about 448, which is amazing in the short amount of time that I've been running this channel. So yeah, if there's any other YouTubers out there that can raise the awareness of my channel and help me get up to that 500 subscriber mark, that would be absolutely fantastic and appreciated, guys. I'm not sure what the prizes are going to be yet, but yeah, it'll be something worthwhile. So yeah, about 50 more subscribers to go and we'll be holding another giveaway, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Right, that's it for this one, guys. Yeah, it's too bloody cold to be out there messing around with a pond today, trying to build a pond. It shouldn't be a chore. So hopefully next weekend it'll warm up a little bit and I can get a little bit more done. And once again, congratulations to the winners of the giveaway. Yep, get in touch with me. My email address is on my about page. Drop me your delivery details and I'll get those prizes out to you as soon as I can. Right, yeah, we'll leave it there. Hopefully next weekend it'll be a little bit warmer and I can crack on with this pond build. So until next time, thanks for watching.